Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your system meets requirements and enabling virtualization. This speeds Android on PC. Once done, choose an Android runtime or emulator that supports Google Play. Download its installer and save any required image or G-Apps package. Make sure to close heavy apps and back up important files before installation. You're starting the process now, so run the installer with administrator rights and follow prompts to install core components. This sets the foundation for getting Google Play running. After installation, launch the emulator or Android runtime and let initial setup complete. This creates the virtual device and core services. Once the virtual device boots, either enable built-in Play Store support or sideload a compatible G-Apps package. Follow on-screen file manager steps. Then open Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and allow the necessary permissions and sync options. Make sure to update Google Play services and the Play Store app to avoid app compatibility issues. This ensures a smooth app installation. Finish by updating the Play Store and Google Play services, then reboot the virtual device so changes apply. You should adjust emulator performance settings, allocate more CPU cores or RAM, and choose the proper graphics mode to improve responsiveness. After installing apps, test them and set input and folder mappings. If something goes wrong, clear the Play Store cache and data, sign out and back in, or reinstall the G-Apps package. These steps fix most authentication or download errors. If problems persist, reboot the host machine and retry the steps above.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.